Welcome back to another exciting cultural exploration. I am Amoke Omo Baba Abili Onilu, and today we are diving into the ancient, spiritually and culturally rich Olojo Festival, one of the most significant celebrations in the Yoruba culture.
Ọdún ọlọ́jọ́ jẹ́ ọdún ìbílẹ̀ kan pàtàkì èyí tí a fi sọrí òrìṣà Ògún ní Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Ní àárọ̀ kùtùkùtù ọjọ́ ọdún yìí ẹmu ni wọ́n kàn jí mu. Èyí rí bẹ́ẹ̀ torí ẹmu jẹ́ nǹkan pàtàkì tí òrìṣà Ògún fẹ́ràn. Ìyẹn òrìṣà tí a fi ọdún yìí sọrí. It is one of the most popular festivals in Yoruba land. The word Olojo means the day of the first dawn, that describes the grateful act of man towards God's creation and existence of human. The Olojo Festival is a culture festival in the calendar of Ile-Ife, Osun State. It is the celebration of the remembrance of Ogun, god of iron. The festival is held annually in September, October, although in 2019 it was celebrated in February. People from all over the world travel to Ile-Ife, the spiritual center of the Yoruba, to partake in the festivities and connect with centuries of history. The Oni of Ife, after 7 days of spiritual seclusion, emerges purified, symbolizing the effectiveness of his prayers. The procession, led by the Oni wearing a Deari, Ari crown, the original crown of Oduduwa, leads to Okemogu Shrine for oath renewal and divinations. Traditional dances and sacred ceremonies, including the special Osirigi drum dance, performed only by the Oni, highlights the festival's deep cultural and spiritual significances. The Olojo Festival is a living connection to the past, showcasing the richness of Yoruba culture and the deep spiritual bond of its people.
The Olojo Festival is more than just a celebration. It is a living connection to the past, a tribute to the Yoruba people's enduring cultural and spiritual legacy. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cultural insights. See you next time.